Good morning, class. Today we're going to start our day off by singing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, and a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here cluck everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, and a roof here and a roof there, here roof there, roof everywhere, roof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo there, moo everywhere, moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O, and a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, here gobble there, gobble everywhere, gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job. All right. Well, this week we have been going over farm animals, and today's special animal is a chicken. Now, as you know, chickens are considered as birds. They are domestic birds, but one thing is they cannot fly. Their lifespan of a chicken is about 10 to 15 years. And the male chicken, he's brightly colored and more larger than the female chicken. The male chicken is known as a rooster. He makes loud crowing noise such as the female chicken is known as the hen. She lays eggs and those baby eggs are called chicks. So what do chickens make? Eggs. Good job. Chicken enemies. A hawk, the mean hawk. We have a snake, which is called the slithering snake. We also have the owl, the mean-looking owl. And then here we have fox, the hungry fox. These are animals that eat the chicken. What do chickens eat? They eat worms, insects, seeds, grains, snails, slugs, fruits, and vegetables. Sounds that chickens make. Here's the morning call of the rooster. And here's the morning call of the hen. Okay, and today we're also going to watch a video of a chicken laying an egg. Just a second, I'm going to get this right here for you. So can you tell me, what do chickens lay? Eggs. What are chickens considered as? Birds. Do the chicken fly? No. Okay. Can you name me any other kind of farm animal? A cow? Video of the hen laying the egg. Here's the chicken. And there's your egg. Wow. And as you see, the egg is coming. The egg is coming. The egg is coming. There's your egg. Okay. Well, as you just saw, we saw a hen lay an egg. And these eggs are known as chicks. But today, I have a little story that I'm going to read to you. It's called, Why Did the Chicken Cross the Road? Okay. Why did the chicken cross the road? You see the cover? Why did the chicken cross the road? Well, let's see. The chicken must cross the road to get to the circus. Duh. The chicken crossed the road. I'm telling you guys, I just did it to get to the other side. Honest. See the little chicken? The little chicken crossed the road because she just wasn't free range. You see how we have the foxes, the chicken's enemies. Remember, who, chicken, what, dinner, where, when, now. She's deranged. Why did the chicken cross the road? To show the possum that it could be done. Ta-da! See? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because the light was green. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from the big green dinosaur. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because his sister's marrying Toad. See, Toad and his sister? That's why chicken crossed the road. Why did chicken cross the road? To have a tea party with Miss Cat, Miss Bunny, and Miss Squirrel. Why did chicken cross the road? To get the missing baseball. See, we have the baseball bat and the glove. Why did the chicken cross the road? Ask mutated zombie chickens from Mars. Ooh. Why did the chicken cross the road? To enjoy the nice, pretty garden. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because the light said walk. Why did the chicken cross the road? To have a nice big burger at the diner. Why did the chicken cross the road? You tell me. And this is little stuff we can read later on. But right now, we have an assignment. And the assignment is, who's your chicken? And in this assignment, here's your paper. And here's your marker. What color would you like to use? Blue. Okay. In this assignment, we are going to be naming our chicken. And we're also going to be telling where our chicken lives. We're also going to be telling things about the eggs. And in this also, we're going to be talking about if it's a bird and does it fly. So here's an example of mine. My chicken name is Harry. It lives on a farm. My chicken lays eggs. My chicken is a bird that doesn't fly. So now we have come to a closure of our lesson. This week's lesson was over farm animals. Our special animal was a chicken. The learner was able to state characteristics and traits of a chicken. Our TEK is pre-kindergarten level 10D. The student is to observe and record life cycles of animals such as chicken, frog, or fish. And there's my lesson.